Hi people, shortly we'll begin this installation which I told you guys yesterday that we are in auchi to do. Here we have 5 units of 420 watt solar panels. In total that's 2100 watts, and we are going to be powering a cyber cafe that uses about 5 laptops, a fan, and some of the some bulbs and maybe charging their phones, and probably they will be consuming close to 700 watts, while from our solar panels we are sure of generating around 1500 to 1600 watts. So that is enough to charge our battery and to keep our load running at the same time. And this 700 watt I talk about, it might not be up to, I'm just saying it because after the power audit I discovered they will consume close to like 400 or 500 watt, but I made it 700 watt with an extra 200 watt load for it to cover them. So we have 5 units of 420 watt from Sunflex, and I'll be showing you some of the things we'll put together to set this system up. So let's check them out. So guys, here are some of the accessories. Let's put things together and see what we'll come up with. Here we have a 60 amp PWM solar charge controller that we are going to be using for this setup. We have our breaker box, which is a 7 to 9 way, and here we have some of the accessories. We have a DC breaker, DC surge, and we have our voltage guard. While in here we have a 2 kV inverter from Lithon and 2 units of tubular batteries from livfast maximo, and this is one of the best battery in market now. We also have our battery rack here to arrange our battery on this very battery rack. So this battery put together, each one is 210 amps. Approximately we are going to be getting around 5100 watt, which is like 5.1 kilowatt from these batteries. And we are going to power this fan. Aside these fans, there are other things in the next shop that will power, though I will not go there now to make this video. Maybe after the installation I'll show you guys how this is going to be working. So within the next 30 minutes, 40 minutes, we are going to power up this shop and power up the second one. So if you want something like this to go for just 1.8 million naira,